Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to delete LinkedIn account permanently. First of all, open any browser and head over to your LinkedIn account dashboard. At the top you will find an option of Me. Click on it. A menu will open. Select the option Settings and Privacy. Settings will open. At the left side different sections are available. Make sure that Account Preferences is selected. Then on the right side scroll down to the bottom. Under the account management sections, two options are available. Click on the second one, that's close account. On the next screen, click on continue. After that, select the reason why you are deleting your account. If you don't have any, simply click on other. Then click on next. Now here you have to add some information for deleting your account. Enter whatever you want and then click on next. And the last step is to enter your account's password here for confirmation. Also make sure to enable the checkbox here to unsubscribe from any of the activity you are involved in like invitation etc. So after entering your password here, click on the done button. Your account has been closed successfully. And this is how you can delete LinkedIn account permanently.